that volume, turn it way up. Get your weapon, get your blade up. Damage, then you gon' pay up. Yo, crank that volume, turn it way up. Get your weapon, get your blade up. Damage, then you gon' pay up. Yo, crank that volume, turn it way up. Get your weapon, get your blade up. Damage, then you gon' pay up. Yo, crank that volume, turn it way up.
Going out west, dog. Let's get it. Rise up Chocolate Thunder. So what's your name?
I'm Daniel. We're going on Chocolate Thunder.
Have you been on Chocolate Thunder before?
Never before. This is my first time.
All right. So we're gonna run up Chocolate Thunder. We got quite the amount of people up there right now. So
yeah, this is a big crowd.
Should be a good time. So.
Oh, it's gonna be a great time. It's gonna be a great time. I'm excited.
This is a great time. This is the busiest I've seen Chocolate Thunder this early in the year. Honestly.
Really?
Like, it's usually not this busy,
yeah,
this early.
They were telling me it's this week and the second weekend, and then everyone I was staying with is like, yeah, the second weekend's normally like the weekend's packed.
So you can see the main path here goes down through the valley. However, there's some really fun rocks up to the side. So that's what I like to do, is try and drive up around all of the traffic down in the valley and play in the rocks up on the side. Now Johnson Valley is actually an OHV area, meaning you can pretty much drive anywhere you want. So all these rocks along the side, it's all fair game. So why do Backdoor and Chocolate Thunder get so busy during King of the Hammers? Well, it's because these trails are right next to Hammertown, so people can go do quick night runs through it and hang out with the crowd.
What's up, everyone? I am here with
Jalen.
Jalen, where are you out of?
I'm out of Rancho Cucamonga, California.
Hey, heck yeah. So I ran into Jalen on Chocolate Thunder out here, King of the Hammers, and he's like, hey, can I get a ride up there? And I'm like, absolutely.
Yes, sir.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
All right. You were also going to school
for the fab school.
Tell us a bit about that.
It's a metal fabrication school, so we learn the basics of metal fabrication, welding, tube bending, tube notching, and then we put it all together towards the end of the course to create tube chassis, and with the end goal of being capable of building a rig like this, or try to build a rig like this.
Heck yeah, I think you can do it.
Thank you.
Awesome. So anyway, just hanging out here at Chocolate Thunder, meeting new people.
Yes, sir.
So awesome.
Don't forget to hit that like button. Please leave a comment. Let us know what you think of all this craziness. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Thank you. Like I said, sometimes it's fun just to sit back and watch the show. Also a shout out to some of our other YouTube friends that we ran into when we're out there messing around.
Howdy, let's get rowdy! What's up, brother?
What's up, Ammo Dog? Emily driving up Chocolate Thunder at night.
Even my 10-year-old daughter wanted her shot driving Chocolate Thunder at night. She did awesome. I have no idea what happened here. It's just the stuff you run into on Chocolate Thunder late at night. One thing that can happen though is when people break down, people try to start driving around them, and that's how you end up with these giant traffic jams. For example, one night one of my lower control arm links had unthreaded. I was sliding across the rock and I tried it multiple times and it unthreaded the lower control arm. A couple people who watch a channel had come down and offered to help, so I appreciate the help and it was nice to meet you guys out there. This guy's steering knuckle was completely gone. This situation was a bit of a head scratcher as well.
Keep going. I wouldn't stand under it.
Or next to that rope? What's he doing now?
That's a bad place to stand.
What are you doing? Yeah, like that, flipping your foot under there, your fucking leg is gone.
This guy may not have realized that he was driving over their winch rope while they were trying to winch. Look at that sea of lights all the way back to Hammertown. None of this exists the rest of the year. This is what Backdoor is like on Thursday night, the biggest night of the week. You can see that giant Jeep has a DJ stand in it that shoots flames out of it. It's just completely crazy.
You'll crank that volume, turn it way up. Get your weapon, get your blade out. Damn, then you gon' pay up. You'll crank that volume, turn it way up. Get your weapon, get your blade out. Damn, then you gon' pay up.
You crank that volume, turn it way up. Get your weapon, get your blade out. Damn, then you gon' pay up. You crank that volume, turn it way up. Turn it way up, turn it way up.
Crank that volume, turn it way up, way up.
So we're just getting back from Backdoor with my friend Tony from Iowa. I am also from Iowa, so it's Tony's first time up Backdoor to see the craziness. Tony, what'd you think?
It was pretty crazy. There was people everywhere. Buggies shooting fire out of their antennas. People throwing beer cans.
It's just complete chaos, huh?
Absolutely. I'm not sure that I would want to be stuck in the middle of that.
Yeah, it's an absolute shit show, and it's fun to go watch, but I definitely don't like driving in the middle of it.
It was quite an experience. I can't wait to go back here, maybe even tonight later.
Yeah, we may be back again. We got to get the Sublime with Rome.
Crank that volume, turn it way up, way up.